What's up, guys? Welcome back to this week's episode of Pilgrim Outdoors. Miscalculated the weather. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. No intro of me setting out, none of that. It's cold and it is really windy today. It's gusting up to 55 kilometers an hour. Don't know what that is in miles for my American friends. I'm just out here again in search of monster greenbacks. Same protocols as always. Rattle baits, jigs, and minnows. And you just sit your baits at the bottom and try to catch a big one. So stick with it, see what happens. Let's get it.
Oh, there's a big mark coming up. Ooh, doggy. That's a walleye. That's a walleye. That was a big sauger. Oh, first fish of the day. First fish of the day, sauger. Going back. Come on. You guys are relentless. On. Absolutely on. That's a fat sauger. Gluttony. We'll name this one Gluttony. Oh, woo! That was a big gust. It is windy as hell out there today. It's like 50k winds. Most people would just stay home. Not this guy. A couple screws loose. It took a long time to set up today, but thanks to the Otter shelter, they have a hell of a system. I believe it's called Ice Lock. It keeps your tent pinned in crazy situations like this. You don't have to worry about it collapsing. It's got a bunch of extra tie down areas, so it does the trick. It does the trick. Saugers are snapping. Hopefully the walleye are snapping. That's all I gotta say. Live minnows are really going right now. Good day. Catching fish. These fish are on. These fish are absolutely cooking right now. Ooh, this is better. Probably be a greenback. Yeah, there you go. Easy, 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 easy. This one's full. Awesome. Awesome first walleye of the day. Keeper. Stand home with me. It probably is going to be another jig and minnow kind of. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a big mark. Oh shit, that was just a eat. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. I think. Oh, definitely decent. Definitely decent. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We are on them today. We are on. Look at that nice, beautiful eye. Crazy, 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 crazy. How good it is today. Just need a hog to roll in. Get a hog in here. Absolutely make my day. Thick boy. non-stop today. Ooh. What's up, itty bitty green? That's small. I've not caught a green this small. Itty bitty walleye. On back. Hybrid walleye? Maybe? Oh, it's a burbot. I haven't caught a burbot in years. That's wild. I haven't caught a burbot in ages. Ew. Ah. These things are so gross. There you go. I haven't caught a burbot in forever. That is funny. It's been years and years. They don't ever stay straight, these little things. Wild. Okay, let's get you back. Ha! Cool. I've not caught a burbot in a long time. Like, I mean, long time. Because there's a massive mark at the bottom. Oh, tank on it. I got big walleye again. Big walleye again. Big walleye again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh doggy. Oh doggy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here, big girl. Come here, big girl. Come here, big girl. Come here, big girl. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Oh yeah. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. It's not a master. It's not a master. But when you catch another nice walleye, can't complain. What do we got ourselves here? 24 3/4. First good fish of the day. This one's really green, like really beautiful. I'm very happy with that. That makes me pretty tickled pink that I can catch a nice fish every time I'm coming out here. So let's just keep it up. Like I was saying, beautiful walleye. Nice 24 going back. Woohoo! Booyah! I got another good fish, I think. What do I got here? There's weight behind this one again. Yes. On the board with another. Ow! There you go. Another nice walleye. Love it. 19. Perfect. 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 Absolutely perfect. Well, everybody, thanks for tuning in to yet another awesome episode of Pilgrim Outdoors on the Red River. It was a good day. Caught so many fish I can't even keep count. Saugers were plentiful, walleye were scarce, but still ended up with a nice fish. Woo!
Worst conditions I fished in a very long time. It's blowing. It's probably blowing 60 now. Managed to make it back. Gassed. Cold. Gonna go home, warm up, and have some good food. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.